guys, in this video of LinkedIn marketing course, I'm going to conclude that what is this LinkedIn advertising is and what are the types of LinkedIn advertising. So guys, in the previous videos, whatever we have covered now is totally organic, right? We have talked about groups, we have talked about pages, but the thing is, those all things were totally organic, totally free. But now we are going into paid marketing, which is LinkedIn advertising. Now we are going to talk about LinkedIn advertising properly, that what LinkedIn advertising is exactly and what are the types of LinkedIn ads. Basically, what are the ad formats does LinkedIn provides to us, right? So let's talk about first that what is LinkedIn advertising. So here I have mentioned that LinkedIn ads is a paid marketing tool that offers access to LinkedIn social network through various type of ads and other methods. LinkedIn ads is a powerful marketing tool for B2B companies to build leads, online recognition, share content, and hire employees. Right? So, this is what the benefit you can get if you are using LinkedIn marketing. So obviously, if you are a B2B business, then LinkedIn platform is best for you. If you are a B2C, then LinkedIn is not be the best option for you, but it depends on the situation and it depends on different types of business. But still, if you are a B2B, business to business type, then LinkedIn is one of the best option for you, where you can get clients, where you can get new leads, and you can get online recognition, share content, even you can hire best employees from all around the world, right? So this is what LinkedIn advertising it is, and this is totally a paid method, right? You don't have any organic or free method over here. Now let's talk about the type of LinkedIn ads, that what are the ad formats or what are the types does LinkedIn provide us. The first one is sponsored content, the second one is sponsored messaging, right? The third one is dynamic ads, and the fourth one is text ads. So there are only four ad types which LinkedIn provides, and let's understand one by one that uh, how this sponsored ad works and sponsored messaging works. So let's jump into the LinkedIn's site where I am into this page. Let me just make it the link short so that you can check this link as well, right? So this is the link, linkedin dot business.linkedin.com marketing slash marketing dash solution slash ads. You just need to enter this one, right? This much only, and you'll be land on this particular page. Now here you can check out that the first one is sponsored content. So sponsored content is like this, where you'll be able to see any companies or any brands content, and that is totally sponsored, right? It is not an organic one. If you are able to see any sponsored content, which means the company is paying to LinkedIn to show that particular content to you, right? So this is what the sponsored content is. And here it is mentioned that native ads that appears in LinkedIn feed. So basically the sponsored content is appears in LinkedIn feed. Now if you want to know more about sponsored content, you can click on learn more, and you will be land on the landing page of sponsored content only, where you can read all the details about sponsored content and the native ads, right? Now we do have sponsored messaging. So sponsored messaging is totally a paid messaging method. I've already told you that how you can approach new contacts, new leads through messaging, and that method was totally organic, that method was totally free. But LinkedIn has a capping in messaging, right? You can't just message to anyone in LinkedIn platform, right? But if you want to remove that capping, so you can go with sponsored messaging, where you need to pay some amount and you can message whoever you want, right? Even your message will appear in the top of the messaging box in LinkedIn platform, right? So this is the perk of using sponsored messaging. So if you want to contact someone, if you want to make new connections, if you want to make new leads or generate new leads, you can use LinkedIn messaging feature as well. Then we do have two more options, dynamic ads and text ads. So dynamic ads is more of a personalized, it is a bit more personalized, where if the dynamic ads is appearing in your feed, you will be able to see your name, even your image as well with the ad. So it connects with the audience more, because there you will be able to see your own name, even your own profile picture as well. That's why these are more personalized, more engaging, and bring more result, right? And then the last we have text ad. This is a simple text based ads where you need to create a proper copywriting so that you can grab the attention of your audience, right? So here you can't use any kind of image or anything else. This is just a text based ads. So these are four different types of ads which you can create in LinkedIn platform. Now in the course, in this particular course, we are going to explain all these ads types. Even we will be showing you the tutorial where we'll be creating all these ads from scratch. So stay tuned with the course, LinkedIn marketing course, and let's wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.